Host, smiling, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of medicinal plants that you can grow right in the comfort of your own home. And what's even better? We'll be showcasing the top 5 plants that you can cultivate indoors using the amazing garden kit. But before we jump into our list, let me introduce you to this fantastic garden kit. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to start their indoor garden journey. Packed with everything you need from pots to soil, this kit makes growing your own plants a breeze. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Here are the top 5 medicinal plants you can grow indoors with this garden kit. First up, we have Aloe Vera. This versatile plant is not only great for soothing sunburns but also has incredible healing properties for various skin conditions. Plus, it's super easy to care for and requires minimal watering. Next on our list is lavender. Known for its calming effects and lovely fragrance, lavender is a must-have in any indoor garden. With the garden kit, you can enjoy the benefits of this aromatic plant year-round. Moving along, we have peppermint. Not only does it add a refreshing flavor to your tea, but it also aids in digestion and can even help relieve headaches. Growing peppermint indoors with the garden kit ensures you have a fresh supply whenever you need it. Now, let's talk about chamomile. This soothing herb is well known for its calming properties, making it perfect for brewing a relaxing cup of tea before bedtime. With the garden kit, you can have your own chamomile garden right on your windowsill. Last but not least, we have lemon balm. With its bright citrus scent and mood-boosting properties, lemon balm is a wonderful addition to any indoor garden. Plus, it's great for attracting beneficial insects to your home. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 medicinal plants that you can grow indoors with the garden kit.